So now we are going to see, now we are going to learn about the atomic model given by Niels Bohr. Okay, all the scientists like J.J. Thomson also, that the success of the electron, he wants to give the model. So he failed to give the atomic model. So Niels Bohr is the right person. He was the right person to give the atomic structure of subatomic particles. So, for example, why to give the structure for the atom in general? For example, when the school reopens, what happened? All the children were very much excited, very much anxious to sit new classrooms,
Yes, ma'am.
open the new books. So the teachers will give you the allotted places. Like you belongs to A section, you belongs to B section.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I right?
Yes.
So that there will be very clearly, so that there won't be any confusion. So outside the classrooms, there will be a big labelings of the class section. So directly you go and sit in your places. Am I right? So again, after entering into the class, again your class teacher will give you the slots, like where you need to take the placements. Like if it's first bench is filled, the children will go and occupy the second bench. At the same, so that it will be like clear-cut. It is like clear-cut arrangement of the children in the entire school. So after the bell given, after entering the school, after bell given, everybody will occupy their places, and everyone are in the orderly manner. They occupy the places, and the school will be very disciplined. Am I right? So these scientists has identified electron, proton, neutron, and nucleus. So they are failed to give the positions of it in that atom. So they are failed to give and they are failed to identify the positions of the atoms, the subatomic particles in atom. So Niels Bohr, so has given the clear idea about the position of the atom by taking the orbital structure. For example, he has placed the nucleus at the center. For example, the star got the dense space present at the center. Around it, he arranged the shells, possibly energy levels around the nucleus. Okay. He has given the center space. This was found by Rutherford. So that means for when he passing the different races in the atom, so the races are just occupying and giving the broad reflections that you are going to learn in the higher class. With that broad reflections, he identified there would be a big space at the center of the atom. That big space is nothing but nucleus. This was given. Yes, this was given by Rutherford. So the nucleus at the center. And these are the shells.
Discovered the nucleus, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Arya.
So, ma'am,
Yes,
Rutherford basically discovered nucleus.
Yes. So at the center, space at the center, and these shells are arranged and from the center space. So that these are nothing but shells. This is nothing but first shell, second shell, third shell, fourth shell, fifth shell, and first shell was given by K, L, M, N, and so on. Understood? This is the order given and named by all this was given by Niels Bohr. So that this nucleus. So he has given that the nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. The nucleus consists of, it's a combined form with the protons and neutrons.
Proton and neutron.
Proton and neutrons are present at the center, and electrons with great speed. Electrons with great speed, they revolve around the nucleus in a definite orbitals and different energy levels. Like how the train goes on the track. At the same way, these electrons, though they are revolving with the different levels, they won't collide with each other. They won't collide with each other until and unless an external force acts on the atom. They jump from one energy level to the other energy level. But when the element at normal, when an element when an element at the normal state without any external energy or without any external reaction takes place, the electrons will revolve in a definite path. They won't jump from one energy levels to the another energy levels. In that particular definite path itself, the electrons will revolve with great speed. With one single blink, it revolves more than 100 times. Understood? Like that, these electrons revolve in a definite path in a definite energy level.
Yes, ma'am.
They won't collide with each other. They won't collide with each other, and at normal neutron, the element is neutron in nature. Sorry, neutral in nature, so that they won't jump from one energy levels to the other energy levels. They revolve with a definite speed. So if you go for the more than higher classes like plus 1 and plus 2, you learn Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. So this uncertainty principle means they worked on the speed of the electron. They worked on the speed of the electron, but even till now it is uncertainty. Uncertainty means, what do you mean by uncertainty? The speed of electron? What do you mean by uncertainty? Uncertainty means uncertainty in the sense till now they have not given the exact speed of the electron. Till now they have done with the trial and error methods only to know the speed of electron. Means the speed will be common. It's not common for all the elements. If you have taken any particular element, the speed varies because of the electron size, number of atoms. All these things represents. All these things will give the clear-cut influence on the electrons. So this is the general structure for. This is the general structure for any kind of atom. Any kind of atom. Okay, so what is the general structure? We can say here the nucleus will be present at the center, and on the nucleus, shells will be present. So the nucleus consists of protons and neutrons, and electrons will revolve in the definite path, nothing but a definite shells, definite levels. They won't jump from one level to the other level. If there is a chance of chemical reaction, so like external energy is striking that element. Obviously, when the external energy is striking towards the element, obviously it affects the atom because the atom is present inside the element. Okay, in that point of view, so that in that sense, the electron will jump from one energy level to the another energy level. So if it is lower energy level, these are the higher energy levels. Okay. From here, if any external energy occupies, the electron will jump from one level to the other level, and definitely it comes back to its original position. It won't stay at the higher levels.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
So,
I didn't understand.
Yes, clear, Ronak?
No,
So
ma'am,
this,
I didn't understood this.
actually, this concept you are going to learn in your higher classes according to your standard. It's not required, but I'm explaining because you are very much curious about the concept. Understood? So
Yes.
the electrons will revolve in a definite path. They won't jump. Then the element is normal, present at 180 elements like them, and they are stable. If any external energy, if that element need to be used for any chemical reaction or formation of compound, yes, then the energy levels may vary so that the electrons will jump from one energy level to the another energy level. In that point of view. But if the element is normal, neutral, there is no chance of jumping of electrons takes place from one shell to the other shell. Yes, clear?
Yes.
Understood? So, electron with negative charge will revolve around the nucleus in a particular shells. Okay. So, what is the charge of proton? What is the
Positive.
charge? Positive charge. Neutron?
Zero.
Neutral, like electron negative. So, the charge of nucleus will be, what is the charge of nucleus then?
Positive.
Very good, positive. Because this is neutral, no charge. So the charge of proton is nothing but charge of nucleus. The charge of nucleus is positive. Understood or not? Yes?
Ma'am.
So this is about the general atomic model given by
Neil Bohr.
yes, Kavya, you understood. Yes, good response, children. Very good. You all are very good children.
Excuse
I
me, ma'am.
really enjoyed. Yes, Rana.
I didn't understood what Neil Bohr did. Means what did he discover?
He has given the arrangement. He arranged
Given
the
the
identified.
arrangement of
He
the
identified.
atom, of an atom.
Yes, he has given the
And where
arrangement of the 1 minute. Arya, 1 minute. Let me explain. Arya, 1 minute. Yes, good. So, proton was identified by some other scientist. Neutron was given by some other scientist. Electron was given by some other scientist. Nucleus also given by some other scientist. But Niels Bohr, he gathered all the subatomic particles and he has given the positions. He found the positions inside the atom. So
Yes,
why? Because atom itself is very small. We can't even observe in the electronic microscope. So he worked by giving the position. For this also he has done so much of work. Finally, he has given the arrangement. So he arranged proton. He has arranged it. That means not he wanted. He worked with his own hands. Manually, he found by doing different experiments, he found the positions of the subatomic particles. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes. Any doubts, children?
Mom,
Yes, Arya.
what is the purpose of a neutron?
The neutron itself plays a major role in case of isotopes. In case of isotopes, neutron itself plays a major role. Yeah, yes, I'm going to explain everything. No need to worry. Yes, next concept. Okay, is it clear till here?
Yes, Mom.
Yes.